Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Brianna, and today I'm going to be unboxing a brand new bag I just bought from Béis. If you guys don't know what Béis is, it's a luggage brand by Miss Shay Mitchell, aka Emily Fields from Pretty Little Liars. I religiously watched that show in high school, or also Peach from You. So this is my second bag from Béis. Let me actually go grab the other one really quickly before we get into unboxing my new purse. So this one is my first bag that I bought from Béis, and besides this one, the only one that I currently own. I've owned this for about a year or two, and it's my main work bag as a teacher. This one is the Mini Convertible Weekender in black. I absolutely love this bag as a work bag. I can fit my laptop, iPad, lunch, a coffee, pretty much everything in here. I've also used this one as like a weekend overnight travel bag because it does have a detachable like shoe compartment on the bottom. The inside's waterproof. I love this bag. I'll leave my review of this bag down below. However, this bag is kind of big, and so I do like it for work. This is the bag without the detachable part on the bottom, and so I wanted a smaller like everyday purse, everyday bag, and so I ordered the mini, I think it's called the Mini Everyday Work Tote. I'll leave the exact name down below. I've been waiting for it. I'm super excited, so I'm going to just jump straight into unboxing it. So Béis does do Afterpay. I use Afterpay for my first bag, also for this one, so you are able to pay in 4 separate payments that are interest-free. So that's an option. She also has like suitcases and other luggage. The suitcases are kind of expensive. This bag that I'm ordering right now, I'll leave the price down below. I believe it was about $104, which is expensive, but for a nice leather purse, I'm willing to pay that much. Oh, there goes my phone. I'm so excited. And I got black again. I like black bags or neutral colors. Pretty much all she has are neutral. Some of her bags and luggage come in like a pink or like a green color, but most of them are just like nude or black. So here's the bag. Let's open it. I love the smell of fresh leather. It smells so good. Okay, this is actually a bit bigger than I thought it would be. So she has like the original everyday work bag, and this one's the mini, so it's actually bigger than I expected. I got the one that's in black, the croc style. It's super cute. Might need to get scissors for that part. Okay, so here's the bag. On the back there is a pocket. It also, you can unzip the bottom and there's like a trolley spot to put on your suitcase. My other Béis bag also has that, so these bags are all super great for travel. Oh, and there's also a pocket on the side, and then this side has a zip pocket. It looks like a good size for a phone. Let me find my phone and see how it fits. Ugh. So I have a big phone. I have the 12 Pro Max. So with the case on, it's a little snug. I don't think it will zip. So if you have a large phone, depending if you have a case or not, it may not fit. But if you have a regular size phone, it's definitely an easy spot for your phone. On my other bag, I usually will use this trolley pocket to throw my phone in there. Fits perfect in there, and there's also a little front pocket. So this looks like a great everyday purse. Let me show you guys the inside. So here's what the inside looks like. There is a removable, is it removable? No? Oh, no, this is not removable. So there is a, let me show you guys, a spot right here for your laptop that velcros over. The entire inside of this one just like my other one, it has that nylon lining, so if you like spill water or something, you can easily wipe it up. And there is okay, this is the removable part. So on this other side, there's a removable little pouch that has the same croc material as the outside. As an everyday bag, this could be good to throw like makeup in, maybe like pads or tampons or anything like that that you want to kind of keep separate. And it snaps in and out, so if you don't want it, you can take it out. If you need it, you can put it back in. I love that the ones that I've seen, most of the Béis bags are super versatile. They always have like detachable things and different ways you can use them. And then it also comes with a thick strap to put over the top. Super thick shoulder strap. I typically don't go for these. My other bag had one and I usually just use the regular handles, but that's an option if you want to kind of like crossbody it. Super important, it has a little thing to snap your keys on so they don't get lost in your purse if you're messy and just like throw a bunch of things in there. Super useful so that you don't lose track of where your keys are. And then there is also on the other side a zipper pocket. So honestly, the inside of this is very similar to the inside of my other bag I got, just kind of a different material and different size. This is what I'm going to use as like my everyday purse. So like when I'm not at school, after school, on the weekends, I think this is going to be a cute purse. It definitely is bigger than I thought it would be, but it's still super cute. I feel like I could still fit my laptop in it, although I don't think I would really need to because I'm not using it for that purpose. Let me go get my laptop and see if it will fit in here. Okay, so I have a 13-inch MacBook. It looks like it will fit in here. So let me put it in this pocket. Oh, yeah. So if you have like a 13-inch laptop, there is a bit of room. I would say 13 inches is probably the biggest. It does fit in that pouch right there. So I overall love this bag. It's super cute. This one came in solid black and also the croc style, but like a brownish color, but the brown one was sold out, so I got the black. This is a super cute bag. Let me put the strap on and see how a little crossbody moment will look. Okay, so the strap is adjustable, so you can do, let's see how it looks. You can do a little crossbody moment. I don't really like this. I kind of just like the regular two straps on the shoulder, but this can be an option. I'm happy with this. And then the pouch, so cute. Oh, and on the inside, so on the same side that has the pouches, let me see if you guys can see that. There's also like slots here. So there's two slots on either side that you can put things in. The inside is so similar to the inside of my other bag. It basically has the exact same setup with a zipper pocket, those two pouches, and then the other side is where there was the removable one and then another pouch there. So this is my unboxing of this bag. Again, not sponsored. I would die if Shay Mitchell sponsored me for Béis, but I have overall loved this brand. I look through their products all the time. Some of them are a bit pricey. I probably won't ever buy like a suitcase because the suitcases are just very expensive, but things like this that are around $100 that are just nice things to have. Again, this is a $100 purse. You're not spending like $300 like a Michael Kors or like $1,000 on like a Louis Vuitton. I'm okay with a $100 leather purse because I'm going to wear it out and want to buy a new one. I have never bought a luxury designer purse, but this is still great quality. I definitely do want to try more things from the site. I am waiting for them to come out with like a really nice wallet. They have a travel wallet, but just like a nice everyday wallet. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure that you give this a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, one more side note that has absolutely nothing to do with this bag. Yesterday I went to Target and got, let me see if I can pick this up while it's lit, from Target, the Nor Oud Wood and Musk, so the room spray, and the candle smells amazing. I think this is from the Project 62 brand. These scents smell amazing, so that was just a side note if you're looking for some smell goods for your place. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will catch you in my next video. Bye, y'all. ¿Dónde está my phone? Where did I put my phone? How did I lose my, oh.